Thank you very much for speaking with us today, Colonel, and obviously thank you for your continued support for the show. What is the one key issue that has emerged over the last 2.5 days, do you think?
Yeah, and this is always a perennial issue, but I think it's really emerged more in this conference as we try to lighten the load for the soldier, and that's the issue of system integration. You know, we've got all these capability areas, for example, lethality, the soldier's weapon and his ammunition, the capability area for survivability and mobility, his body armor, his helmet, his clothing and equipment, and then the whole C4ISR capability area, radios, wearable computers, optics, situational awareness that brings. All of those highly technical components have to be integrated on the human soldier and Marine, the human platform. And we're bringing so much capability to soldiers and Marines now that it's really becoming a challenge integrating all that on. So that's clearly an issue that's kind of really been focused on this conference.
And have you seen, or do you think there are signs of any key steps that are being made to address the systems integration issue?
Absolutely. I mean, each year what we see is when we gather up here, we're able to clearly identify kind of the requirement, the challenges of that system integration, and then industry brings some of their solutions. Out here in the exhibit hall, everyone coming up with some great ideas on not just the components of those capabilities, but also maybe smarter ways to integrate them, reduce some of the redundancy, and eventually, maintain the same capability while lightening the load. So it's been very productive. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much
Thank you all.
for talking with us today, and obviously your support.
Thanks.